Good morning students. Today we will start new chapter 8 percentage. So in this chapter we will learn about percentage and how to convert a fraction or decimal into percentage, or how to convert a percentage into fraction or decimal, both. But first of all, understand what is percentage. So percent means actually out of 100. Any quantity is expressed out of 100, that is called percentage. Or we can say that for every 100, and it is denoted by the symbol this. This is the symbol of percentage. Suppose in a classroom 55 students are girls out of 100. Suppose in a classroom there are total 100 students, and out of 100 55 are girls. So how we can write it? And rest are boys. So 55 out of 100 are girls, means 55% students are girls. Okay, so what is percentage? Percentage is just we can express it out of 100, means every quantity for every out of 100 we can say. Or definition wise you can read it as percentage are the fractions having 100 as denominator. Okay, you can see 100 is denominator. Suppose any quantity is given 33 out of 100. So 33 out of 100 means as a percentage how you will write it? 33%. This is the symbol of percent. For this out of, it means out of 100. Understood? Now, how to convert a fraction or a decimal into percentage? How we can convert this fractional number into percentage, or how we can convert this decimal number into percentage? So it is very simple to convert a fraction or decimal number into percentage. We will simply multiply it by 100. So 17 by 25 multiply by 100. So 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. So you can multiply 7 4 ja 28, 4 1 ja 4 plus 2, 68%. Okay. So how we have converted this fractional number into percentage? Understood? We have just simply multiplied by 100. Similarly, this one 0.35, this is a decimal number, but you have to convert this into percentage. So 0.35 multiply by here also we will multiply by 100. Students, whenever you have to convert any quantity into percentage, we just multiply by 100. So if we have multiplied by 100, but this decimal, if you will remove this decimal, you know after decimal how many digits? 1 2 digits. So we will put here 2 zeros, means 100. So whenever we remove the decimal, you know that many zeros we put down. So 100 1 ja 100 is cancelled. Now 35 is here. 35% is the answer. This is the way you can convert a decimal number into percentage or a fractional number into percentage. Got it? Now understand how to convert a percentage into fraction or decimal. Here we have converted a fraction or decimal into percentage. Now we are going to learn how to convert percentage into fraction or percentage into decimal number. Just see properly. 28% means 28. This percentage means out of 100, you know. So we can write here 100 for this symbol. Remove this symbol and write here 100. Now this is the fractional form. If it can get cancelled, you can cancel it also. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 14 by 50. So again it will get cancelled. 2 7 ja 14, 2 25 ja 50. 7 by 25 is the fractional form of this percentage. Okay. And if you want to change this into decimal, then you can divide it and change this into decimal, or simply you can write it 28 by 100 we had written here, no? So 28 by 100 if you want to change into decimal, how we will change? There are 2 zeros down. So 1, 2, after 2 digit from the back side we can put decimal. This is the way you can convert into decimal, and this is the way you can convert into fractional form. Whatever the question will be asked, you will change accordingly. Now this is 22.5%. You have to change this into fractional form or decimal form. So 22.5, this percentage means down 100. So if you will remove this decimal, after decimal there is one digit. So you can put 1 0. So 225 by 1000. You can again cancel it, or if you want to change this into decimal, you can simply change this into decimal. You can see 1 2 3 zeros are down. So 1 2 3 from back side, give decimal after 3 digit. This is the decimal form. And what is the fractional form? This is the fractional form. You can cancel it also. If it is getting cancelled, that would be the fractional form. I hope it is clear how to change fraction into fractional number or decimal number into percentage, or percentage into fraction and decimal. Got it? Now next is conversion of ratio into percentage. If any ratio will be given and you have to convert that ratio into percentage, how you will do that? Suppose 3 ratios are given, 1:2:5. So first of all we will add this ratio. Add it. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 8. First of all we will add the ratio. After that we will change the first part into percentage. So 1 out of this total ratio 8, but you have to change this into percentage. So whenever we have to change anything into percentage, we just multiply by 100. So multiply. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So here is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 25s are. So 25 by 2 means you can change this into decimal also. Or you can simply change this into fractional form also. Its fractional form will be what? Mixed fraction 12 1/2%. Okay. What about the second part? Second part is 2. So 2 out of total ratio which we have taken out. The total of this ratio, that is 8. Multiply by 100. So 2 4s are 8, 4 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 50 by 2 means 25. If you will cancel it, we will get 25%. So I have changed the second part also into percentage. Now third part. Third part is 5. So 5 by total ratio 8. So 5 by 8 multiply by 100. So you can again cancel it. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 25s are. Then just multiply 25 into 5. What will be? 125 by 5. 125 by 2. Or if you want to change this into mixed fraction, we can change it. 62 1/2%. Or here also you can write percentage. Okay, this is the way a ratio can be changed into percentage form. Got it? Next is conversion of percentage into ratio. If percentage is given, then 20 by 100. Then again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 1/5 we will get. So we can write it in ratio 1:5. This also 2.25 means 2.25. This percentage means out of 100. So you remove this decimal 1 2. After decimal there are 2 digits. So 20 you put. 225 by 10,000. Or you can just multiply, means cancel out this. 25 table it will be cancelled. 25 9s are 225, 25 4s are 100, 0 0. So 9 by 400 is the ratio form. Now it will not get cancelled. So 9 is to 400 you can write. Okay. This is the way how to change the percentage into ratio. This is the way how to change a ratio into percentage. Whenever you are changing any quantity into percentage, you have to multiply it by 100. Always remember this. Now student, let's the exercise question. Exercise 8.1, question number 1. Convert the following into percentage. You have to convert this into percentage. So what we will do? We will just multiply this into multiply this by 100 into 100. So you will remove this decimal 1 2 3 digit. Okay, 3 digit after decimal, so 3 0. 0 0 will get cancelled. 128 by 10 will left. So 128, this 0 means after one digit you will put one decimal and give the sign of percentage. This is the way you can change this into percentage. Just I have done, I have just multiplied it by 100 and removed the decimal. This also same, this also you will multiply by 100 and then cancel. 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 25 3 ja, whatever the answer will come, that much percentage will be the answer. Next, convert the following into fraction. You can convert this into fraction. 34% means what? 34 by 100. Okay, you can cancel out and write this into fractional form simply. Percentage into fractional form. It will get cancelled. You have to cancel this also. Same. Similarly, rest of the question. Question number 3. Convert the following into decimal. You have to convert this into decimal. How? 13 by 100. So what will be its decimal form? 13, from back side you will put one decimal after 2 digit because there are 2 zeros. 1, 2. This is the decimal form of this percentage. Next is express each of the following as a ratio in the simplest form. You have to express this into ratio. So 50 by 100 means 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 1 by 2 will be the answer, means 1 is to 2. This is the ratio form of this percentage. Okay. Question number 5. Convert the following ratio into percentage. You have to convert this ratio into percentage. So 4 by 25 multiply by 100. You know, whenever we have to convert any quantity with percentage into percentage, we will multiply by 100. 25 4 ja 100, 4 4 ja 16% will be the answer. But there are three ratios here. So you first of all we will add all the numbers. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. So total ratio is 10. Now you have to convert each part. First part will be 2 by, this is 10, 2 by 10 into 100. Second part will be 3 by 10 into 100. Third part will be 5 by 10 into 100. Just simply add the ratio and then apply the same process. Understood, students? So question number 1 to 6 is your homework. Rest of the question I will explain you next.